In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can lock your Facebook profile. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Facebook. Now, if we click on menu in the bottom right hand corner, scroll down, select the drop down menu for settings and privacy, and then click on settings. What you will now notice is that Facebook has removed the sole setting to lock your profile. So to get around this and to be able to lock our profile, what we need to do is if we scroll down, what you'll now notice, you'll see audience and visibility. Now you want to click on followers and public content, click on this, and then from here you want to select each of these options and you want to select friends or only me. Now what this will do is it will lock your profile to anyone outside of your friends list. So if someone visits your profile, they won't be able to see anything. They won't be able to click on your profile picture. They won't be able to see your statuses or any content that you upload. Now what you want to do is you want to go through and change that setting for all of these settings right here. We can then go over to profile and tagging, and then do the exact same thing on this page right here. So you want to click on the options. As you can see, click on this and then you can select friends or you can select only me. Click on save once you've chosen the correct option. And then once you change all of these settings to friends or only me on these two options right here, what that will then do is it will lock your profile from people who are not on your friends list. So it's just that simple, guys. That's the only way that you can lock your profile on Facebook at the moment, unless Facebook bring back the old lock profile setting. Unless Facebook bring back the old lock profile setting. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.